Namaste. हमेशा खुश रहो बेटे. I am Jv'n Dr. Trivedi and today the lecture is on Introduction to Crop Physiology. Now what is crop physiology? We all have been studying about plant physiology till date and as such we know plant physiology is the science of properties and functions of normal conditions of any plant or uh, functioning. So it was early described in 20th century by the Russian plant physiologist V.I. Paladin, which is to gain a complete and thorough knowledge for the phenomena occurring in plants, to analyze the complex life processes so as to interpret them in terms of simpler ones and reduce them finally to principles of physics and chemistry. So this was the definition or description given by the Russian plant physiologist. But later on, it was said that the science is concerned with process and functions and the response of the plants to the change of environment and the growth and development that result from these responses. So basically, crop physiology and plant physiology, there is a difference between them. So plant physiology refers to all the functioning of the plant and its processes, whereas what happens in crop physiology, it is concerned with the process functioning of the crops at a cellular, subcellular, and whole plant level in response to the environmental variables and growth. So it is the study of functional aspect of the crop plant. So we can also say that when the crops are grown in the various environments, so we should be able to know why and how the crops are going to react in the field and what is conditions are good or essential for the crop improvement to solve the crop management problems and to make good management decisions. The knowledge of crop physiology is important. So it is very important in agriculture when we are doing in simple plant physiology, we will be studying the physiology of all plants. They can be any type of plant, but in crop physiology, we are studying the physiology of plants which are useful in agriculture and they are used in crops, horticulture crops, or field crops, or vegetable crops, in, and they are beneficial. So the entire plant and its communities are there. And in crop physiology, we are studying different aspects, knowledge, uh, such as soil science, plant physiology, botany, etc. Because the main aim of crop physiology is to increase the yield of the plant economically. So basically, the main focus is on the economy of the crops, and for as such, we are studying the crop physiology. So we are studying what effect the external environment is having. For example, if there is heat, there is drought change. So how is the plant going to react? Is it going to wilt away? Is it there going to be reduced photosynthesis? How much effect will that have on the yield of the crop? So suppose it is we are having drought condition. So we have to provide irrigation. Otherwise, the crop yield will reduce. So because the crop we are studying through physiology, the process is slowing down and the amount of crop yield will be reducing. So we have to provide, our aim now will be to provide irrigation and water to overcome the drought. Similarly, for example, we are finding high temperature. So what is happening? Rate of transpiration is increasing. Evapotranspiration is taking place, causing dryness in the plant, and the fruits are being less juicy. So we have to provide them more water in such conditions. So we can say that is a exceptional tool for aiding the plant scientists, plant breeders, agronomists, etc. in increasing the crop yield. So this is all about the importance of crop physiology in agriculture. So students, keep in mind that plant physiology in relation to crops and with the aim to increase the yield is basically crop physiology. Students, I hope you found my lecture interesting. This session was powered by Digital Version 2.0 of Vidyapith University. Namaste.